Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using palm dots and word mass method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is 13, C is 26 and D is 51. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. This expression we have multiple operations. You can see in the bracket we have multiple operations. One is minus, multiplication, division, minus and multiplication. So let's see how we can solve this quiz using palm dots and word mass method and find out the correct answer. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, word mass and palm dots rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. So now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the word mass and palm dots rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket or you can say parenthesis. So in this expression, we have this bracket which contains multiple operations. So now we have to solve one by one. Now we have to solve the exponent part and power of any number. So inside the bracket, we do not have any number which has the power. So we can skip this step as well. Now move forward for division and multiplication. So according to the rule, you can solve division and multiplication or multiplication and division. So how we can solve? We have to go inside the bracket left to right. We will go left to right inside the bracket and find out which is coming first. So inside the bracket, we have first multiplication, this one. So what we have to do, we have to write like 64 minus 3 and we will write brackets. So we will write 13 minus 2 multiplied by 12 which is equals to 24. And again divided by 8 we will write here as it is. Here minus 3 multiplied by 3 again we have to write as it is. And here we have to give the reference to multiply by 12 equals to 24. Now move forward. Again, we have to solve the division and multiplication. And till we have to solve all division and multiplication inside the bracket, we have to repeat this step. So now we have to go again 64 minus 3 and 13 minus 64, 24 divided by 8, which is equals to 3. Minus 3 multiplied by 3. Again, we have to write this one as it is. And here we have to solve this one. So we will write 24 divided by 8, which is equals to 3. Now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right. So now again, we have to see like which multiplication and division. So we have here now this multiplication 3 multiplied by 3. So we will go here 64 minus 3 multiply 13 minus 3 and minus 3 3 are 9. And here we have to give the reference 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 9. Now move forward. We have solved the multiplication and division inside the bracket. Now move forward for addition and subtraction inside the bracket. So we have to go again left to right and find out 64 minus 3 one more thing, we cannot multiply right now. We are not multiplying 3 multiplied by this number. We can, but here we have to solve for the bracket, and after that we will multiply with 3. So we will write 13 minus 3, which is equal to 10 minus 9. And here we have to give the reference 13 minus 3 equals to 10. Now move forward. We have to see inside the bracket we have 64 minus 3 and 10 minus 1 9 equals to 1. And here have to give the reference 10 minus 9 equals to 1. So we have solved this one. Now move forward for here multiplication, because we have first of all we have to solve this part, and after that we will solve 64 minus 3. Here we have multiplication, which is we call implied multiplication. So that's why in implied multiplication we do not write any sign of multiplication, but we will assume that these 3 multiply with this bracket. So here 3 1 the 3. So we will write like 3 multiply by 1 equals to 3. Now we have two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 61. So the answer of the given expression is 61. If you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDA and word mass method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.